Today, we're tackling a simple but important car maintenance task, replacing your cabin air filter. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. This filter traps dust, pollen, and other allergens before they enter your car's ventilation system, keeping the air you breathe clean and fresh. So, let's get started. Here's how you can safely, incorrectly clean your washable cabin air filter. Start by removing the filter from the vehicle. Spray a generous amount of cabin air filter cleaner onto both sides of the filter, with a majority of it applied to the dirty side. Allow the cleaner to soak in for 10 minutes, but do not allow the cleaner to dry on the cabin air filter. Next, rinse the filter with a low-pressure water source from the clean side out. In order to flush the dirt out of the filter. It may be necessary to use your fingers on the hose to apply light water pressure. Repeat this process until the water runs clear and free from any dirt or debris. After rinsing, gently shake off excess water. Allow the filter to dry naturally. Once the filter is dry or slightly damp, spray the filter with cabin air filter refresher. Make sure to apply liberally so that the entire filter is treated. Finally, reinstall the filter back into the vehicle. Keep the air in your vehicle safe and healthy by regularly servicing your washable reusable cabin filter. To find products for your vehicle by clicking on the link below. Refer to your car's owner's manual for specific instructions and location of the cabin air filter. Consider taking pictures during the removal process to help you remember how to put everything back together. Cabin air filters are typically recommended to be changed every 12,000 miles or once a year, whichever comes first. However, if you drive in dusty or polluted conditions, you might need to change it more frequently. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions about changing your cabin air filter, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and tricks.